Hello guys, this is Savija from Savija's Innovation. Learn, live and inspire. Hi everyone, welcome to a day in my life with my cats. You know, life with cats is never boring. Let's see what they are up to today. Before anything else, my cats make sure they are the first priority. This is Katu, the mother cat of our family. Meet Katu. She is the sweet mother and also a loving and caring mother. Say hi to Katu. She taken care of everyone and always protective and gentle. Katu, the mother cat, taken her kitten outside and together they nibble on a little grass. It's their favorite morning snack. The playful kitten run around happily. The curious one explores every corner. And the sleepy one finds a lossy spot to rest. This is Kili, the playful one, who loves to run around and make mischief. She cries like a bird, so I call her Kili. The second one is Kitu, the black and white one. This is my favorite one. She is sleepy. She's the sleepy head of the family, always looking for cozy snaps. The third one is Kalu. Body is always like hard as stone. So her name is Kalu. Very curious one who loves exploring every corner of the house. Kitu, the black and white, adorable cat, always wants to sleep on my lap. She's my favorite, and no matter where I am, she's always come to me. The time Katu feels nervous, the little ones are so mischievous. Sometimes they even get into dangerous situations, which makes Katu worried. See the bath time. It's bath time for Katu and the kitten. We usually keep it very simple using just tap water and a little soap. The playful one always splashes out. The sleepy one just wants to curl up and finish quickly. And the curious one keeps looking everywhere as if it's an adventure. Katu stays calm and patient, watching her babies as they get clean and fresh. Bath time is not just about cleaning. It's also a sweet bonding time with them. A treat after every bath. Happy cats. Bath treat first. After every bath, I usually give them a little treat as a reward. Every time I give them rice, cat food and so on. This time I give them sweet biscuit with water and milk. I think they are enjoying very much. Katu is too much. Sometimes she eats full and she never gives the food to her kittens. and usually this is happening every time. Hey, relax, relax. The time I say goodbye to them is so painful. I feel sad from morning till evening until I come back. But my cats never go anywhere. They are so obedient and always wait for me on the veranda. Be safe, your mother is here, okay? Bye bye. Tata. From morning routines and feeding, playtime, and all their funny little habits, my cats make every day brighter. If you love pets, cute moments, or want to see what daily life with the cat is really like, this vlog is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cat vlogs, pet care tips, and daily life videos. And that's a wrap on my day with my cats. They make every moment special with their cuteness, playfulness, and love. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. If you enjoying this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cat adventures. See you in the next video. Bye for now.